Audi enthusiasts have been eagerly awaiting the next RS5, but until that arrives, the German tuning powerhouse ABT Sportsline has stepped in to fill the gap by transforming the Audi S5 Avant into a performance machine that flirts with RS-level power and style. This is a fascinating development for fans who want more punch and sharper looks without waiting for the official RS5 release. The new Audi A5 line has just launched with a fresh design and tech upgrades, positioning itself as the successor to the A4. The S5 sits at the top of the range for now, offering a potent 3.0-liter turbocharged mild hybrid V6. However, ABT's latest package pushes this engine well beyond its factory limits. With the ABT Power S module installed, the 3.0-liter V6 now delivers a robust 435 horsepower and 600 newtons of torque. This represents a 72 horsepower and 50 newton increase over the stock S5, bringing the tuned Avant dangerously close to RS4 territory. In fact, the power figure is just 9 horsepower shy of the outgoing RS4 Avant, while torque remains exactly the same. Power is managed through Audi's famed Quattro all-wheel drive system, paired with an S-tronic dual-clutch automatic transmission and a sporty Quattro Sport differential for sharp handling and traction. The result is a performance estate with the heart and soul of an RS car, but with the everyday usability and refinement of an S5. Alongside the engine enhancements, ABT has refined the car's chassis and aerodynamics. The S5 Avant is lowered by up to 25 millimeters, thanks to new springs that improve the stance and handling dynamics. Visual upgrades include a set of new 20-inch ABT Prime alloy wheels finished in glossy black and featuring a sporty 5-spoke design that complements the aggressive look. The Aero kit is subtle yet effective, designed to give the S5 Avant a more purposeful appearance while improving airflow. Key features include a front splitter, glossy black accents framing the bumper intakes, and a rear spoiler extension that enhances downforce. The rear diffuser gets a sporty upgrade as well, now sporting quad 102mm stainless steel tailpipes finished in matte black, giving the back end a meaner, race-inspired look. Inside, ABT brings a few tasteful touches to elevate the experience without overwhelming the cabin's sporty elegance. Custom floor mats, an illuminated start-stop button, and illuminated door sills add exclusivity. The seats remain leather-trimmed with suede-like inserts, maintaining the luxurious yet sporty atmosphere. The dashboard retains Audi's impressive triple-screen digital setup, blending high-tech function with style. Although the showcased model is the S5 Avant wagon, which is the more practical and spacious body style, ABT confirms the same upgrade package will be available for the S5 sedan, which is the only variant offered in North America. The sedan version won't include the rear spoiler extension, but all other performance and styling upgrades should carry over. Pricing for the full ABT Sportsline kit is set at €14,900, about $16,900. Installation costs are extra and will vary depending on location and dealer. Considering the base price of the Audi S5 Avant in Germany starting around €80,150, this tuning package represents a significant investment, but one that dramatically boosts performance and visual appeal. ABT's work is a smart move to excite Audi fans and S5 owners who want to experience RS-level thrills without the wait. It blends power, style, and driving dynamics into a package that feels very close to the high-performance RS segment. For now, this ABT-tuned S5 Avant is the closest thrill you can get until the next official RS5 hits the roads.